Ever wondered what makes or breaks a presentation? What separates a captivating, memorable presentation from one that's easily forgotten? The answer often lies in the execution. Today, we're going to break down the steps to delivering a successful presentation. First things first, plan and prepare. Begin by pinpointing the purpose of your presentation. What do you aim to achieve? Once you have a clear goal, structure your content in a logical manner that supports this purpose. Secondly, know your audience. This is not a one-size-fits-all situation. Each audience is unique, so it's crucial to tailor your message to fit their needs and interests. The more you resonate with them, the more impactful your presentation. Thirdly, visuals are your best friends. Slides, images, videos, diagrams, these all serve to enhance your presentation and engage your audience. But remember, your visuals should complement your speech, not overpower it. Fourthly, practice makes perfect. Familiarize yourself with your content and delivery through multiple rehearsals. This not only boosts your confidence, but also ensures you stay within your time limit. The fifth step involves engagement. Maintaining eye contact, speaking clearly and confidently, and encouraging interaction are all important aspects of engaging your audience. This creates a two-way conversation that's more likely to hold their attention. Sixth, let your enthusiasm and passion shine through. This is contagious and can keep your audience engaged and interested in what you have to say. Seventh, storytelling can be a powerful tool. Stories, anecdotes, and examples help illustrate your points and make your presentation more memorable. They add a human element that facts and figures alone can't achieve. Lastly, simplicity is key. Avoid complex jargon and convoluted explanations. Your goal is to communicate, not to confuse. To summarize, a successful presentation involves thorough planning and preparation, understanding your audience, using visuals, practicing, engaging with your audience, showing enthusiasm, storytelling, and keeping it simple. Each of these steps contributes to delivering a presentation that's not only informative, but also engaging and memorable.